17th of July 2025. G'day, I'm Steve Mack and welcome to my 19th anniversary on this day. And unlike what I might have done once and spent a week with clips and lawnmowers in the background, I'm going to run through the top 5 things that I've learnt for being a YouTuber for 19 years. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you a little bit of background info about when I started to take YouTube seriously. So what I've found in 19 years of making YouTube, starting with number 5. Most non-YouTube friends and family won't watch your videos. I know it sounds weird, but they don't. In fact, some of your YouTube friends probably don't watch your videos either. Number 4. Subscribers come and subscribers go. You'll find in the beginning subscribers that seem to comment on your videos. After a while they disappear. For whatever reason, they move on. It's just the way it is. Don't take it to heart. Number 3. Bird harassing the cat. Oh, lawnmowers and birds. Okay, we know there's a cat. Number 3. The algorithm keeps on changing. I've made playlists about this in the past. Tips that can help you get more views, etc. Do they still apply? I don't know. It's ever evolving. And also, don't be afraid to have fun when you make videos. Okay, it's not life and death. Enjoy yourself. Number 2. You'll notice behind me there's not a Cessna Citation jet parked anywhere with a pilot on standby. And that's probably, even though I'm 1 year short of when YouTube started, I didn't stick with one type of video. So that's to my detriment, as I've mentioned before. And my number 1 tip about being a YouTube creator for such a long time is something you can't put a price on. And that is, you do make some, not many, but some real life friends. Whether you get to meet those people in person or they stay friends online. And that, to me, overrides anything else. Although, you know, being a multimillionaire wouldn't hurt. Now, I've made a few Q&A videos about this, which I'll link up in the end there. So let me just say, my very first video, without showing you a whole clip show of videos, was one. I bought this remote control, I don't know, dinosaur, as a joke to try and scare the cats. It never worked. But that was my very first absolute crap video. So as I progressed and randomly uploaded videos, I started off with cameras like this. Really bad quality. As you can see, not DSLRs. So some of my older videos are done on this.
Now tell the good folks where we are.
I don't know.
Twin Bridges.
Twin Bridges, Ferndale.
Yes.
In the rain and floods.
In the rain and floods. And there's Twin Bridges.
And here's the road that you can't go on at the moment.
There's the road.
Well, we could.
And the road comes out over there. Somewhere.
And it's Captain Rob. And we're heading to, where is it?
Double Island.
Double Island. Off Cairns, off Yorkeys Knob. Now I can't actually say when I bought this. It was 15, well, closer to 20 years ago. This big fella. Cost me $6,000 all up. Nice Canon. But at the time, I wasn't interested in the airplane flying over my head. But at the time of buying this big fella, I wasn't really interested in making videos. So, as it turned out, this was the last model that came out without a video function. And this is where one of my long-term, probably my longest-term subscriber that's still here. Puppy Breath, g'day, came in. I was doing an acting gig for a guy named Martin Lewis, who still lived in Brisbane at the time. And he was a fairly big channel then. And he got me on board as an actor for a little spoof that he made.
You right there, fella? My germs.
What the fuck are you doing? With the message of,
Hey everyone, it's your boy Martin Lewis from YouTube. People in this video were actually actors.
Hi, my name's Ethan.
Hello, my name is Foster Buckman.
hi, I'm Steve Mack.
Hi, my name's Caitlin Taylor.
Most of the videos that pranksters are posting online, on Facebook, YouTube, not all of them are real. A lot of them are actually skits, they're actually web series, they're not actual real pranks, and the real people that are getting pranked are you guys. Don't believe everything that you see online.
And I was chatting to him afterwards, gave him a lift back home, we're into the city anyway, and asking him about YouTube, and he said, monetize everything. So I did. Anyway, so very soon after that I bought this Panasonic camera. And there goes the mower again. Yeah, but so with the lawnmower fired up again, very soon after I bought this Panasonic camera, which was a major learning curve, I assure you. And then I started to do HD and later on 4K videos. So among many other people, that some come and go still. A few years later, Craig came on board. G'day, Craig. And that was through one of my apple cider vinegar videos. And so that was nearly 9 years ago, probably. So they're a couple of my long-term subscribers. And not too long after that, I have to mention this, my friend who also liked Puppy Breath and Craig came along and we became real life friends, even though he lived in America. And we would email several times a week, backwards and forwards. And I guess for the last time I'll mention that Johnny, around about a month or whatever ago, well, he left the planet. So, yeah. And on a personal note, every video I've made since, I always feel like Johnny would like this, or yeah. So I miss you greatly, Johnny, as do some of the people that are regular commenters on my video. Anyway, that's life, I suppose. So I guess now the question is, will I still be here in another 19 years' time making YouTube videos? Will YouTube still be here? Will any of us still be here? I can't see myself in another 19 years making YouTube videos if I'm still here. But anyway, it's the unknown. Oh, f*** off, noisy f***ing mower. Well, if nothing else, it's symbolic. With a lot of my videos, as some of you would know, the moment you go to set up, there's noises. And the mower down the road somewhere is not an exception to the rule.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Taprom. Cambodia. Run out of toilet paper in Thailand? No problem. The Arse Wash 2000. Simply spray and your problems are solved. The Arse Wash 2000, available in all good. Thank you. Hang on, here we go. Going to breakfast in the golf cart.
going back to the hotel on a tuk-tuk.
In Cambodia. Well, in the resort anyway. Riding around Siem Reap, Cambodia, in their version of a tuk-tuk, which is a little motorbike towing a trailer thing. And there's some French tourists in a tuk-tuk in Bangkok. This is the middle of Angkor Wat, and that's the front of Angkor Wat. And here comes Mrs. Wat. What do you think about the long walk, Glad? Lehte driving in Koh Samui, Thailand, in a Suzuki Vitara. Driving around in the miserable weather of Koh Samui, where it rains 1 second and pisses down the next, and then you get a burst of sunshine and it happens all over again. Well, here we are at the highest point of Koh Samui, and it's pissing down rain. And that gutless Suzuki Vitara, we were doing 1 kilometre an hour trying to get up here. Why would you buy such a vehicle? I don't know. And apparently when it's sunny it's a very nice view here. Nice roof, and pissing down. A sea of budgerigars in Thailand.
Look at this poor little one.
There's a chick. There's a baby chick. Here, fella. Here. There's a little newborn chick. Come on. Hello. Hello. I'm recording. Hello. There's a little chick. Hey, a little chick. She's only about a week old. Here. Get with your budgerigar, mate. Hello. Don't come and climb in my bloody hair this time. Spot the monkey. Hey? Good monkey.
Oh, how noisy.
I'll get birds at home. Oh, okay. Hello. I've got one like this at home, a little one. No, me at home, little one. Like this. Hello, like a big bird.
Well, that's when he was picking up the plastic.
No, that's from his feet. Sharp toes, that's all. Is it on movie? Turn around and show me. Yeah. It's like a giant version of bird. Hello. Watch out for your nuts.
Got very soft paws.
I just hope they don't have any snakes. Oh, I know, I held you before. Oh. Hey, Red McCall. Hey, Red McCall. How do you feel?
Like I'm at Jurassic Park.
I feel that every day I look in the mirror.
Thank you.
I said they got no snakes. Hello, Red McCall. Wow.
Bike here.
I hope not.
Business class on the jumbo.
So, how do I get back?
Care of us. Thanks, Skipper. Your safety is our first priority. So before we take off, the cabin crew will take you through some important safety messages.
This is Steve driving while we're on Koh Samui.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
So all I can say is thank you so much for joining me on my 19th anniversary of the channel. Channel's 19th birthday. And probably for the last time I'll mention it because it's in the links. If you enjoy any of my videos, you can buy me a coffee. You can even click the little tick there and make it reoccurring every month. It's up to you. I appreciate you giving it a thumb and subscribe. Check your subscribe too, because YouTube hasn't been kind to my channel lately for some reason. So check that you are still subscribed, because that I noticed watching on TV, which I watch most of my YouTube videos on, they've changed it, so you've got to make sure that all notifications are clicked. Most of you have heard that before. So I'd like to thank you again for joining me, if you've stayed to the end, which most of you won't. So mower noise, bird noises and everything, I'll say cheers for now. And yeah, will I be here in 12 months still making videos to the 20th anniversary? I guess we'll see. Alright, until next time, cheers.